In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install and uninstall Grammarly Chrome extension. By the end, you'll know exactly how to add the extension to Chrome, sign in, make sure it works where you need it, and remove it cleanly if you change your mind. Let's start with installation. Open the Chrome Web Store and navigate to Grammarly for Chrome. You can get there by searching for Grammarly in the store and selecting the official listing. On the Grammarly page, click the Add to Chrome button. Chrome will show a small prompt. Choose Add Extension to confirm. Chrome will download and install the extension in the background. When it's ready, you should see the Grammarly icon appear at the top right of your browser. It may look like a circular G. If you don't see it immediately, don't worry. Sometimes new extensions are tucked into the Extensions menu in the toolbar, and Chrome may take a moment to display the icon. Next, click the Grammarly icon to sign in to your Grammarly account. This step connects the extension to your preferences and enables features like spelling, grammar, and tone suggestions. After signing in, make sure Grammarly is allowed to work on the websites you use. When you visit a site with a text box, the extension will typically show an indicator letting you know it's active. If Grammarly is off for a site, you can turn it on from the extension controls so it can provide real-time suggestions where you write most often, such as email, documents, or web forms. Now, if you ever want to remove Grammarly, here's how to uninstall it. In Chrome's address bar, type Chrome/extensions and press Enter. This opens your extensions page. Scroll through the list and find Grammarly. When you see it, click Remove. Chrome will ask you to confirm. Click Remove again to finalize. The extension is now uninstalled, and the Grammarly icon should disappear from the Chrome toolbar. If you had tabs open, you might need to refresh them to clear any remaining indicators. That's it. You've learned how to install Grammarly from the Chrome Web Store, confirm the icon appears, sign into your account, and ensure it's enabled on the sites you use. You also know how to remove it completely through Chrome, Extensions, and verify it's gone. If you ever want it back, just repeat the installation steps. Thanks for watching, and happy writing.